Today we are going to provide a demo of this tool called leadhost.ai. So if you want to capture email and other details of your customers through a QR code or a website link, then you can use this tool. Some of the use cases could be one, if you are an Airbnb host, then you can share this QR code with your prospective guests. And if they need the Wi-Fi detail, they can scan the QR code, provide their name, email, phone number, and then when they submit, then they'll get the Wi-Fi details of the property. So this way, you'll be able to capture, email and phone number of your customers and follow up later and offer them discounts or get repeat visits. Other use case could be if you are a retail shop and you can have this barcode on your checkout counter or something, and you can ask people to scan the barcode, share their details to get say 50% off on their next purchase or something like that. So there are multiple ways, and it is very important for any business to capture details of their customers so that they can reach out to them again, and it's easier to retain existing customer than getting a new one. So let's get started. So this tool is currently free. So what you can do is just start a free trial. You provide your name and phone number, select some password, and you create an account. So now it has sent you an email. So you just have to verify your email. You'll see this welcome email that please confirm your email to get started, and confirm. Once you have confirmed your email, you come here and again provide your details, log in. So once you have logged in, what you can do is you can create a new form. Let's create a new form, and you can change the heading of the form. So for example, if you're an Airbnb host and want to share Wi-Fi details, so you can have Wi-Fi details or whatever name you want, and then you customers will share their name, address, email, and phone number. So if you want to make any changes, you can do. You can if you want to add a new field and want to collect some more details, right? Then you can add a new field. So let's add a field, and this new field you can give it a name. You can say reason for visit, right? And they can share why they are visiting the property. So just save this form. So this form is created. Now you can preview this form. If you preview, this is how it will appear. And if you want, you can share this link with customers, or you can generate a QR code. Just click on it, and there's a QR code which is generated. You can download it, print it out, and keep it in this Airbnb case, keep it in your property, a few printouts, or have a magnet, or if it's a retail store or anywhere else, right, you can keep this barcode wherever you want, or a restaurant. One more thing which we have to do is we have to create a landing page. When someone clicks on this link, right, what do you want them to do? So either you can just say thank you, or you can share in this case Wi-Fi details, right? So you can have, say here, username, whatever is the username of your property. And now so here you have multiple options. You can have text boxes, you can share link, or HTML code. So this is kind of a basic UI which is provided by tool, but if you want to make it more jazzy, then you can add a HTML code. And for creating HTML code, you can use things like ChatGPT, right? You can just ask a ChatGPT create a use HTML code for this scenario. So currently we will add one more text box, and there we will share password, whatever, right? Wi-Fi at 123. So text. So I mean, this is the basic user look and feel, as I mentioned, or we can go to ChatGPT, create a little different use and feel you want. If you want to share a link, you can do that also. So if you have a website or something, you can share a link and say visit our website or whatever, right? So a lot of things are possible, and after this you can save this thing. So now what will happen is, when someone scans that QR code which we just generated, they will go to this page, and then they will share their details that Sunny, oh sorry, com or, and okay, whatever. So they share their details, and then they get this thing, Wi-Fi details, and once they get the details, they can click visit website. Now once a user has submitted their details, you can come to this leads page and view what details they have submitted. So you will get their name, email, phone number, and whatever, like exactly the form which you have created. And all these details you can download as a CSV file, and you can upload wherever. If you have some other software or tool where you manage your emails, or a CRM, you can just upload it. So in future you will also find integrations to different platform, but for now, like upload features should work fine for anybody's need. So I hope you're able to understand how to use this tool. Let me know if you have any questions, and if there are any new features you want to be added, please leave a comment, and they will be implemented in the tool. So thank you and have a nice day.